suppose, okay, it is okay. So from input file, I want to copy data to output file based on multiple include conditions. So suppose I want to include two include conditions. Okay, one is this one, another is or this one. Hmm? That means the records the employees who have joined on 1st January 2020 or who have joined on, okay, okay, okay. So what I'll tell you what I have written here. So I want to copy those records who have copy those employee details who have joined on 1st January 2020 or 1st January 2019. Okay. So I have to use the or condition in between. So first give the first condition. Oh shit, what am I writing? There is no comma here, inverted comma. Sorry. This line is not required. Okay. So 2010 ch equal 2010 0101 comma or comma this. So the employees who have joined on either 1st January 2020 or 1st January 2019, both will all of them will be copied to output file. So we submitted. See 2020 19, both of them. Got it? So this is how you can use or conditions also. If you have to use multiple include conditions, but the data will be copied into the same input same output file. But in case of ICE tool, you can copy data to different output files based on different include conditions. Now suppose if you have to add one more include condition or, okay, then you have to give comma here. So this 72nd position, okay, here you have to give a hyphen. This hyphen means continuation to the next line. In the next line, you have to start from here. Suppose you give 2023-0101, close it. So three condition. Okay, sorry. You have to give or, correct?
Right.
Or comma. So at 72nd position, give hyphen and start from here. So give it 5. Oh, in input file we don't have it only, but 2023-0101. Oh, it's not there. 2023-0501 is there. So make it 6. See, all three are copied.
Yeah.
Correct? So this is how you can use. So always remember, when the include condition, whatever you write in sort or any JCL, if it crosses 71 and it has to go beyond that, always use a hyphen at 72 position. It will mean the continuation of the line, and from the next line, just where the CC starts, just below that, start it. So it will be considered as the first position of writing. From here, if you write, so it will be considered this one, continuation.
Yeah.
Now, similarly, you can use and condition also. So for include statement, if you have to use and condition, so here, and suppose you want to copy those records who have joined on 1st January 2020, and also name is Zahir. Okay, so name starts from first position, length is 10. So you can write it this way: 1 comma 10 comma ch comma aq Zahir. So two conditions you have added here. One is the records which have 2020-0101 at 20th position, and also who have Zahir at the first position. That means the employees whose name is Zahir and who have joined on 1st January 2020. So two conditions you have added. So and will mean both the conditions have to be satisfied. Then only it will be copied. So if you submit 7, see, there is only one record like that. 2020-0101 Zahir. Got it?